Good morning and welcome. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour over this disaster of a canvas. I did start with an idea in my head with this canvas, and that's hot glue I used, and I painted over it, but I'm not going to go with that idea at all. I'm just going to actually pour over it with some leftover paints. So yeah, it's another project that I will do with glitter. Was my intention, but didn't obviously turn out. It wasn't going the way I planned, so I'm just pouring over the canvas. So that's why that's a gold canvas with wibbly lines in it. There is some brilliant white and pink. This was actually mixed with the Mont pouring medium and a few drops of the boom booster. That's it. So yeah, I was using up some paints that see what I could get, just pouring over it. In my intention is to do a figure 8 pour, but you will see as I'm going along. Now this is the Mont silver. And yeah, as you can see, it's they were all done a lot thinner because I did the what did I do with those? I did an earlier pour where I did the Dutch blow and Aussie kiss, so I wanted the paints really thin, so hence that's why they are so thin. So I don't know what my idea was at this stage. I knew that it wouldn't stay within those lines, but I'm doing a voiceover for this one because I wasn't actually going to put it on my channel. I just was going to use this canvas up and see how it came, but yeah, I was quite happy with the outcome, so I thought I will do a voiceover and bring you in on the fun and frivolities. Yeah, that's it. That's the word. So I hope you're all having a good weekend. Probably by the time you see this, your weekend will be over. Heading for another one. We've had a bit of a rainy weekend here in Australia, so it was perfect opportunity to get in the art room and paint. So yeah, I'm just pouring basically all over it because I will be tilting all that lovely, it looks like berry delicious in ice cream mush, but let's hope I can get something out of it because I do try. Tilting it now, nice and slow, just nice and slow. Remember, there's no hurry, it's only paint, there's no stress to it. So even if you've got an old canvas and some bit of leftover paints, don't just bin them or think, oh, I can't do anything with these. Just have a go. Something good comes of it, then wow, bonus. But if nothing good comes of it, at least it was part of your experience in your art journey, and you hopefully learned something from just trying different things. Looks kind of like very marble effect in this one. Now I have some navy there, which was my homemade navy, my custom made navy that I make out of the phthalo blue, a blob of black and a blob of really dark green. Gives you this really gorgeous navy, which I like using much better than black on its own. I mean, even adding a good dash of phthalo blue to your navy sends it to your black, sends it like a darker black, believe it or not, richer black. So that was my figure 8, which I've had a bit of success for when I've done it before in a pour. It just adds another kind of dimension to the paint, like all those wishy-washy colours, so it's kind of just adding a little bit more dimension to it. Just nice and slow, tilting it over the canvas. Just take it nice and easy, just relax about it. And enjoy. That's what it's all about. Is your art therapy session, these are. Just enjoy, relax, and don't stress. Absolutely don't stress over your paints. Nothing that can't be fixed. I mean, if anything, you can just scrape the canvas, take it into the yard and wash it off, start again. It's just a bit of paint, just a bit of paint. So I'm just going to give the edges a finger pop. So there's no rules that you have to do it all nice and neat with a spatula. I love doing, I'd actually like finger painting, so there you go. Just doesn't spoil it or anything. Kind of looking pretty grim there by the look of it. Looking at it now, I'm thinking, oh my goodness. So I'm obviously going to think in my head, what can I do to bring this back to some kind of life? So I'm just giving it a hit with the heat. Well, I'm actually using the butane torch, which I don't know why I'm doing that, because I like my heat gun very much. It must have been the closest thing to me at the time. So there you go. Nothing much happening with this at all, so I can tell you I was thinking in my head, what can I do with this? So I standing over it musing, don't like this, what next? Okay, she goes and mixes up some more paint in white. I will show you that it's, turn around and got my white boom gel paint. I got the white and I mixed up some white boom gel, and I put a couple of squeezes of the boom booster in the white. So that's my white boom gel paint mixed up in the cup, as you can see, just with some boom booster, and I did add a little water. There you go. I added a bit of water just to thin it down. And I'm going to do a swipe because I obviously wasn't happy, Jen, with that particular one, and you know me, if you follow my paint journey, I'll just keep trying to get something until I'm happier with it. And then if not, I'll scrape it. Start again. So it's all part of your art journey, and I like to show you the good with the bad, not all the perfect ones, because it gives people then too much stress over getting everything perfect every time. And it's okay to get some work that's not so nice, or you think that's not so nice, because others will usually really like what you don't like. See those actual little heat where I put the lines through? It actually has given it some kind of depth, looking a bit three-dimensional. But that is navy. It looks very black in there in this camera now, but it's the navy. And as you will see, the boom gel will give this some absolutely incredible cell lacing kind of cells when we do the close-ups. There, kind of, if you look into this painting, you will see the second line looks like an ocean. There looks like a depth to it, as though you could be looking over an ocean towards hills and island. That's what I'm seeing in it, looking at it now. So I can see what you guys, when you tell me what you can see in the painting. It's when I'm actually doing it and talking through the video, I can't see your perspective from this side of the camera. I certainly can on this one now. Yeah, it looks like a landscape. That's pretty cool from this perspective. So here she goes. I didn't have my little water balloon. It popped its socks, so to speak, and yeah, it carked itself, so I have to fix up another balloon. I just hold a balloon over my tap, water tap, and then put a little bit of water in and tie a knot. And that's it. I've got a little weighted balloon. That's only for my small balloons I do that. I don't do it with big balloons. It can end up very messy if you try and fill a balloon with the water. So there you go. I added some balloon kissing. Thumbs up, Julie. Oh, you're happy, Julie? You're happy, Jane? I'm happier with that. But looking at it now, it probably would have been perfectly fine just to leave as kind of a dark, moody landscape. What am I doing? My arm, what you call them, your washerwoman bat wings or whatever you call them when you're getting chubby underneath the arms, that bit of fat that hangs down. I must have felt it wobbling. Oh dear. Got to do something about that as well. I'm gonna do this, gonna do that. There you go. I did just a few balloon kisses to break it up a bit, but watch for the close-ups. Look at the lacing. It was pretty awesome. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and thanks so much for subscribing. Look at the lacing in this. It was pretty awesome. There you go. I haven't got a Nana joke for today. Oh, look at that. Look at those cells. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you one today. So maybe you can write one to me and give me some Nana joke material. Oh, look at that lacing in that. Pretty good. Okay, I'm happy, Jen. So there'll be a few more photos of the lacing. And bye for now. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Absolutely appreciate you all.